Welcome to Make It Simple. Today we will be solving problem number 2.73, that is, a gun is aimed at point A located 35 degrees east of north. Knowing that the barrel of the gun forms an angle of 40 degrees with the horizontal and that the maximum recoil force is 400 Newton, determine the x, y, z components of the force, angles theta x, theta y, theta z, defining the direction of the force of the recoil force. We have to assume that the x, y, z axes are directed respectively east, up and south. So that was the question. It is similar to the previous questions that we have solved, just that we have to visualize what the situation of the problem is, how the x, y, and z axis would be drawn, and what would be the directions of east, north, and up. So I'll first draw. So I'll start the solution by. So we are told that x direction is south. So x is east and it is in this direction. Then we are told that y axis is in the upward direction. So I'll draw it here. This is y axis up. Then we have z direction and positive z axis is south. So this is our z axis and it is in the south direction. So the opposite of south would be north. Now we are given a point A. Let's say it is right here. This is our point A. Now we are told that it point A that the gun forms an angle of 40 degree with the horizontal. 40 degree with the horizontal. So I'll drop a perpendicular to the x z plane. So this angle is 40 degree. And we are told that this gun is located 35 degree east of north. 35 degree east of north. So this is east, this is north, and this line, this one line would be, if I say this is O, this is B, then and this is C, then angle COB is equals 35 degrees. So we have angle COB equals 35 degrees, angle AOB equals 40 degrees. Angle AOB equals 40 degrees. So first and foremost, I'll resolve this force F. This force F is the recoil force. So if the gun is pointing this way, then the recoil force will be in the opposite direction, this way. So I'll make an arrow here. The gun is recoil force is in this direction. I hope you can see the force here. This is the force. AO is the force. I'll write it here. Force AO equals F equals, it equals 400 newtons. So this is 400 newtons. This is 400 newtons here. So first I'll resolve the force into the horizontal component, that is OB. So FH is equals to FH equals minus 400 cos 40 degrees equals minus 306.42. Minus 306.42 newtons. Then we have FH, Fx would be, we can, then we can find Fx component, that is Fh sine of 35 degrees. Fh sine 35 degrees. Fh equals Fh sine 35 degrees equals minus 175.76. 175.76 Newton. Fz equals Fh cos 35 degrees. Fz is equals to Fh cos 35 degrees. This angle is cos here. This is cos. So this one would be cos. This one here is cos. So it will be equal to Fz is equal to Fh cos 35 degrees equals 251 Newton. Now we have F equals, or we can say F square equals Fx square, Fy square, Fz square. F square equals Fx square plus Fy square plus Fz square. We know Fx and Fz. We know Fx and Fz. We can calculate Fy, and F also we know. F also we know. So Fy would be F is Fy square equals F minus Fx minus Fz S square. So this is 400 minus Fy square Fx square minus 175 minus 175.76 whole square minus Fz square minus 251 square. So this value will turn out to be Fy equals to Fy equals to root under of all this. Fy would turn out to be minus 257. Now why have I have taken Fy minus? Because this is directed in the downward direction. This force AO is directed in the downward direction. So Y is decreasing. So that is why there is a minus sign here. So that was our Fy, Fz, and Fx.